this video we will guide you through the installation of the brand new EC52 that you have purchased. Inside a wooden box designed for the purpose, you will find all the components to be fitted on the fan along with the assembled housing. In this first step, you will just place the fan on the wall and fix it to the frame. In this step, you will assemble the cone. The cone is made by 4 sectors. Each sector has a line of slots where it can be fixed to the other. After the first 3 sectors have been fixed, then curve the 3 of them and add the 4th one in order to finish completely the cone assembly. Once the cone assembling is finished, you will add the cone bracket. Each cone bracket has to be fixed by M6 screw and washer. Then turn upside down the cone, bend the sector following the notches, and add the mesh. The mesh has to be fixed by means of M6 bolts and nuts plus washer. After all the washer and the screw has been fixed, then add the second mesh. Also this mesh has to be fixed by screws, and afterward a plastic tie will keep joined together the 2 meshes. In this step, you will mount the cone over the fan. Once the cone is placed in position, by means of a self-tapping screw, it has to be fixed to the housing. In this step, we mount the gear motor. First, we remove the protection mesh. Then we open the connection box. Now we put in position the plastic lever which transmits the movement to the shutter, and we fix it by means of a stop collar. We then fix the gear motor to the pin by using 4 M8 screws and a split washer. We completely close the shutter and we tighten the screw on the gear motor which transmits the movement. We check for the shutter to be closed, and then by acting on the clutch we open and check that the movement is 90 degrees. We then connect the wire to the connection box. First, we connect the end switch on the gear motor. A detailed explanation of the connection is contained also in the mounting manual. Afterwards, we connect the 0 10-volt signal arriving from control box. When all the connections are finalized and verified, we can proceed to close the connection block. All the cable coming out from the connection box has to be protected by the movement of the propeller. In order to do that, they have to be fixed by using plastic ties. When all the operations are finished, we put in place again the protection mesh. Finally, it's time to start the fan. Here we simulate an on signal. This signal start the rotation of the belimo, and therefore the shutter starts to open slowly. When the shutter has reached a certain level of opening, the Munters Drive starts spinning. The rotation is regulated depending on the input that the Munters Drive received from the control box by the 0-10 volt signal. So, enjoy the power of the EC52 with Munters Drive.